Potion making with coloured salt 2 ways. Coloured salt with food colouring.
Pour some salt into a bowl.
Carefully drop some food colouring into the bowl of salt.
Stir the salt.
Use aluminium foil to separate the colours. Pour your mixed salt colours into a baking tray.
Place the tray in the oven.
Bake the salt at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Coloured salt with chalk.
Pour some salt into the bowl.
Carefully grate a piece of chalk into the bowl.
Mix the salt and chalk together.
Now we are ready to play and make some potions.
Wow, these colors look amazing!
Oh, this is amazing. It feels so cool. It's exciting to mix. It's rainbow. I'm going to pick some up, take the spoon out.
Do you like it? How about I put a little bit more water? Whoa, it gets different colors.
It feels so watery and sandy. It feels so cool. Sticking onto my finger. Now it's red. Purpley red.
Whoa, it actually looks like rain.
If you mix the colors together, then it kind of looks like rain. Pink. It looks so cool. Now I'm going to touch it. And now I'm going to tip in some water.
Let's do it one more time. Now I'm going to put some water in.
to get some of this stuff.
Empty. Empty. Empty.
Great. Purple. This is so cool. I just need to spread it out. I made a smiley face cookie. I spelled laugh. Extra watery.
Look, I made ice cream.
I wonder what happens when I take it out. Please subscribe to our channel so we can make more videos for you. Don't forget to give our videos a big thumbs up.